Quiero yo hacerte el amor en la cama, porque tú sabes que tú eres mi dama. Ey, tienes días que te gustan, tú sabes que tú eres mi princesa. Yeah, yeah. Vente pa' acá, mamá, tú sabes que yo soy de una alma. Quiero atentarte en mis brazos, darte lo que quieras, mi amor, no perdóname. Saliendo todos los días con mi pana, fumando marihuana, bebiendo y limpiando, jangueando. Yo sé que eso a ti no te gusta.
Detroit's talking about whiskey and
peanut
on
butter
a
whiskey.
Sunday drinking, talking about
Peanut butter whiskey and Godiva chocolate liqueur and
what y'all that are in there know what we're talking about.
Reese's peanut butter cup drink or something. I don't know.
Sounds amazing.
It does, actually.
You know she's watching that because she didn't yell, "Seven!"
Oh, Savon! I didn't, yeah, I'm sorry. I looked down for a second.
7, 8,
9,
10.
10. 7, 8, 9. Did you know that?
7, 8, 9. 20, we got a 10.
10. Feel better now that that's scratched off?
Yeah, 27.
26.
7, 17. 15.
15. 14. 13. Come on.
And 25.
26.
6. That's okay. These odds are 1 in 3.91, so this will be the fourth one we play. So according to their odds, should get a ticket. She's over there putting some 12 on it.
Yes. Today we have Miss Denise.
Miss Denise.
7! Today it's Grant and Denise.
Grant, Denise, and Mike's not there, and Grant's daughter's there?
Yeah. Nineteen.
And 9.
Yeah, that doesn't work though.
Draw a 1 on it.
1, 2, 3, 4. 11!
There's the 11. 27. 17. 7, 17 again. And 18.
17.
So sometimes you hit that bad run of tickets. And there you go. Let's try number 1. 0 loser. Number 1. Looking for a sack or a star.
11!
Win it all with the star.
And they just yelled it too.
They just yelled 11.
They're copying me. And I'm copying gamblers, so see? It's a scratch community. Really, when you yell 11, it just shows that you're part of Gambler Nation. That's all it is. You are paying homage to Gambler. You are saying where you're from. 32.
Definitely one of the pillars of the community right there. You can go almost anywhere in the scratch community and they know who he is.
Yep. 12. Put some 12 on it.
11 and 13.
9. Match, match. 35.
Anytime you get a match, you pay attention just a little bit more.
39. No 9. 16. Got a 15. And 25.
Do we need Gambler's Bullhorn?
We might.
Or could this be a jackpot? I don't think so. I'd probably already see a 0. Oh. Money. 30 bucks.
30 bucks.
So we get to keep playing. $30.
$30 make me holla.
Let's see if we can go back to back.
Ticket number 2. Flat 40.
Six, 3, 6, 9, 6.
I saw that.
No good. 9, 9.
11. 7.
18. 8.
6, 5, 6,
6,
7, 8, 9, 10. 11.
3. 1, 2,
1, 2,
3.
3.
You just need the 4 to make a whole run of the low numbers.
Yes.
There it is.
There's the 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 27.
26, 28. Sammy. 22. 21, 23. Sammy. And my 32. We got a 31.
And all that. All right, so
We'll be back.